Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the min formula in Excel. Min formula returns the lowest value in a given data set. Like, how do we use it? We type in is equal to min and we select the data range for which we want to find the lowest value. So the lowest value in this range is 59, and in this range is minus 40. See? And it can work with groups also, so multiple columns. Like I select these three columns, and it knows the lowest value over here is minus 40. I can give it 1, so the lowest value is 1. I can give this. Now we know which is the lowest value, and this set. It can also work with percentages is equal to min. It can work with non-consecutive ranges like min this range, comma this range. Now it knows the lowest number is 59 over here. So this is how you use the min formula. See you in the next video.